Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Gmail password incorrect error. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, confirm you are signing in at accounts, Google.com or the official Gmail app, not a fake or copied link. Check that your internet connection is stable by opening another trusted website or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Make sure caps lock is off and type your password slowly, because Gmail passwords are case sensitive. If you use a password manager, copy the password and paste it into the password field to avoid typing mistakes. Remove any extra spaces by retyping the email and password instead of using autofill suggestions. Verify you are using the correct Google account by checking the full email address, especially if you have multiple accounts. If you recently changed your password, wait a few minutes and try again because syncing can take time. Click Forgot Password on the sign-in page to start the official recovery process. Choose the recovery option you can access, such as recovery email, phone number, or security prompts. Enter the verification code exactly as received and do not share it with anyone. Create a new strong password that you have not used before and save it in a secure place. After resetting, sign in again and confirm the password works on the first device you trust. If the error happens only on one device, open that device's browser settings and clear cache and cookies for Google. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Gmail, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Then restart the phone. On iPhone, update the Gmail app, or delete and reinstall it to refresh saved sign-in data. Update your browser or Gmail app to the latest version to fix compatibility and security issues. Disable browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers or security tools that can interfere with Google sign-in. Try signing in using an incognito or private window to rule out saved data conflicts. Check your keyboard language and layout, because some layouts change special characters and passwords. If you use two-step verification, ensure your authenticator app time is synced or request a new code. If you use an app password for older mail apps, generate a new app password from your Google account settings. Go to My Account, Google.com, open Security, and review recent security activity for blocked sign-in attempts. If Google blocked the sign-in, follow the on-screen alert steps to confirm it is really you. Make sure your date and time are set to automatic on your device, because wrong time can break verification. If you are on a work or school account, check with your admin because sign-in rules may be restricted. Try signing in from a different browser or device to confirm whether the issue is account-based or device-based. If recovery fails, use the account recovery page again and provide as much accurate information as possible. Once you regain access, add or update recovery phone and email so future password issues are easier to fix. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.